Today's Daily Rewind video is for Lesson 3. So what we want to learn today is how to use the percent proportion to find the percent, the part, or the whole, depending on what is missing. So our vocabulary today is percent proportion, and then we've got the part over the whole is equal to the percent. So what we're going to look for is, in these problems, they're going to give you the part, the whole, and then you have to find the percent, or you have the percent and the whole and you have to find the part, or you have the part and the percent and you have to find the whole. The trick is knowing which one they're asking for so you can put that N in the correct spot. So the first problem says, what percent of $15 is $9? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to analyze the sentence. So in words it says, what percent of $15 is $9? And we're going to let N represent the percent because it asks what percent. And then we're going to write the proportion. So we have the part over the whole is equal to the percent. So what percent of $15 is 9? Well, it says what percent is 9. We know is means equal to. So we want 9 as the part and 15 is the whole. And then we have N because it asks for the percent, and it's always going to be over a 100 because when we write percents, they're always written out of 100. So we're going to rewrite the proportion. So we have 9 over 15 is equal to N over 100. And then we're going to find the cross products. So we have 100 times 9. Let's write this. 100 times 9 is equal to 15 times N. And then we can simplify that. So we have 9 times 100 is 900. And 15 times N is 15N. And then we want to get N by itself because we're looking for that percent. We're looking for N. So to undo that multiplication, we're going to divide by 15. And then whatever we do to this side, we have to do to the other side. So we have 900 divided by 15 equals 15N divided by 15. And then we get 60 equals N. And then we have to state our solution. So $9 is 60% of $15. So our next example says, what number is 40% of 120? So we're going to look at the words, what number is 40% of 120? We put our variable in. We're looking for the part, because it says what number is 40%, so what number is equal to 40%. So we know it's the part. So we write our proportion. We have part over whole equals the percent. So we have P over 120, because we said that was our whole, equals 40%, so 40 over 100. Then we're going to rewrite the proportion. P over 120 equals 40 over 100. And then we're going to find the cross products. So P times 100 is equal to 120 times 40. We can simplify that. So we have 100P equals 4,800. And then we're going to divide both sides by 100, so we get P by itself. And we get P equals 48, and we can state our solution. 48 is 40% of 120.